Hiding behind this plastic cover is a new New South Wales government subsidised plus ES network curbside EV charger that you can park next to in your electric car. Obviously this is not an electric car, and charge with your own BYO Type 2 cable. This will be really great for people in the area who don't have their own garage or personal parking space off street and so can't charge at home. People are going to say in the comments that these curbside chargers aren't really fast and they're kind of expensive per kilowatt hour compared to DC fast chargers. But that's not the point. The point is places like here on the Balmain Peninsula, pretty awesome views, I think you can agree, until these curbside chargers had no chargers at all for public use for people who lived in apartments or houses without driveways or garages. The point of these chargers, even if you're not using them in a place with amazing views like this, is you get to park for free while charging up your car and doing other things, like having a meal or going for a walk with friends in a park. That's what they're for. And they're also for people who don't have the ability to charge at home, like me. So they are actually worth it. And especially in places like this, which are really great places to visit as a tourist, or even as someone who lives in Sydney, it's pretty cheap when you think about the cost per hour, paying per kilowatt for these curbside chargers, and basically getting free parking thrown in as well. It's a great deal. Look what I found. You're going to be able to find these curbside chargers all across Sydney like this soon. Again, this one is hiding behind a plastic cover. Here's a video of what it really looks like under the cover because I've seen the same charger unit being used elsewhere. What you're also going to see is these little blue Ausgrid EV charging signs all over the place. You'll also be able to find other chargers from other charging networks such as EVXE, JOLT and EVSE. Plenty of others. They're all subsidised by the New South Wales government. Depending on your council area and what deal they did with different charging networks, you'll find different brands of them turning up across Sydney. It'll be really awesome. Please like and subscribe as well as share and comment. I really love to hear what you think about my videos.